Alam mo ba na meron ng gaming monitor na may AI and dual mode? AI sa monitor, tapos dual mode. Ano yung dual mode? So guys, this is the MEG 322 URDF E16, a 32-inch gaming monitor from MSI. So inside the box is we have the manual, the DisplayPort cable, power cable, and the monitor itself. For the price, it costs around 29,995 SRP. Pero bakit medyo pricey? This monitor has a dual mode feature, kaya pwede ako mag-switch between 4K 160Hz for high quality viewing or 1080p 320Hz for smoother gaming in one click lang. Yung AI navigator naman nito ay may AI dual mode, AI crosshair, and AI vision. Tatlong AI na yan sa isang monitor. Also, this monitor is BESA certified display HDR 400 to display more colors. Accurate din ang colors nito with 131% sRGB. Not only ideal for gaming but also for video editing. Ayan guys, so ginagamit na nga ng editor ko for editing. Medyo kumakain nga lang to ng space, ang laki pa naman ng 32-inch. More than enough na para sa akin. Meron din tong 4-way adjustable stand. Pwede mo siyang i-tilt, swivel, height, and pivot to adjust based on your preference. And naka-rapid IPS na nga pala to guys with 0.5 ms response time. Mabilis na to for competitive gaming. Meron din silang tinatawag na gaming intelligence app para mas madali mong makonfigure ang monitor mo without going through all the menu by using the button. Another feature to this monitor is the adaptive sync and eye care. Adaptive sync is similar to VSync. Isisync niyo yung refresh rate ng monitor mo sa video card para ma-eliminate ang screen tearing or stuttering. While ang eye care naman ay merong anti-flicker and blue light technologies para makapaglaro ka pa ng mas matagal without worrying magkaroon ng eye strain. With all that features for 29,995, para sa akin solid na to for gaming and editing. Also, mabibili mo to sa Shopee or Lazada. So yun lang guys, peace out, maglalaro muna ako.